AI is reshaping the way the world works. But in business, where every number has a consequence and every entry has accountability, AI needs to be more than powerful. It needs to be trustworthy. Introducing TallyIra, AI built for the way businesses actually work, with accuracy, security, and control. And the first thing TallyIra brings you is Docs by Ira, effortless invoice processing built into Tally Prime. Businesses spend hours every month manually entering data from invoices. It's repetitive, it's slow, and one mistake can unravel an entire month of work. It's time that changed. With Docs by Ira, simply scan and upload any invoice from your phone, desktop, or directly from WhatsApp to Tally Prime to create valid GST transactions. In seconds, the AI extracts all the values from the invoices and transforms them into book transactions accurately, automatically. And because every entry has consequences, Docs by Ira keeps in you control of the data through a secure but simple review process. When volume is the challenge, import an entire folder of invoices at once. Transactions come in together. Exceptions show up together. Review them, fix them, and move on seamlessly. And once handled, it's taken care of for the next time too. What once took a day, done in minutes. Less time on data entry, more time on your business. That's what AI you can trust looks like. Docs by Ira, effortless data entry built into Tally Prime.